Poor duck. I don't know what to do. I think it's a goner. I don't know why it's here. It's minus 40 out. So I caught the duck. I have him in the tractor with me. It's a little warmer. We'll see if we can take him in the house or in the shop, and maybe we can save him. He was pretty skinny when I picked him up. I think his legs might be frozen and he might be too frozen and cold. I don't know where he came from, but I saw a track of him flap walking whatever he was doing across the field. So we'll see what we can do. I think he's kind of liking it down there. There's a heater vent coming. You can see this little piece of down blowing. Hopefully we can do something for him. This is the best we can do for this really cold morning. We actually had our water all freeze up this morning, so try to make him as comfortable as you can for the time being. So we just got that duck that I found. It's so cold out. I thought maybe I should see where it came from. You can see its tracks here. He's kind of scooting along by flapping his wings. And he went under our generator here, under our panels. These are his tracks. They're pretty distinct. They have a wing imprint and a body imprint. So when I saw him, I never had my camera out. He was probably sitting in here, and he scooted out in front of me as I was driving by with the tractor. And I thought I was going to run over him, but luckily I got stopped in time. Now, actually I get over the fence. Now he's in our field here. Here's his tracks. A little bit of circling here. I can see there's some coyote tracks in there now. There's some feathers. There's a little bit of commotion here. Here it is again. You can see just slight imprints. I don't know what he was doing here. He might have been trying to fly. So I just see the slightest imprints of the wings. So I don't really see any body marks. That's all I see. It almost looks like he came down and landed here. Steadily, he was on the ground very long before I found him, but he might have been there overnight. Yeah, you can see didn't go that far, so We'll see what happens, what we can do with him.
Hey Rhett, so this is where the duck is right now, and we're going to put it in a kennel. So I will lift the lid a little bit here, and you find Mr. Duck. A little bit stinky. Okay, you have to have it. Are you holding it? Before I lift the lid, I want you to have it gripped. You got it? Oh, look at you. Okay, but you need help closing it. You're pretty stinky. That's gonna go out. That's gotta go. Woo, it's stinky. How in the world did you manage to still be here in Alberta in like January, Duck? It's so beautiful. Look at its blue wings. Green head. So pretty. So we brought some hay for it to lay and use and sit on. Hey Duck. See if we can get this in and out without losing a duck. Where are you, Duck? You're getting pretty good treatment here. Much warmer than outside. Poor thing. Anyways, he's doing good. He, or I guess it's a he, because a girl would be brown. But it's cuddled in the corner there. This is a heated floor, so he's probably in total bliss. Oh, look, it pooped again. Great. So I called Fish and Wildlife, and it sounds like we're doing exactly what we should be doing for Mr. Duck here. They asked, oh yeah, see, he drank some water. Good for him. Okay, so they said give it water, give it seeds, which we did. Keep it warm, which we did. I'm gonna give it some more water. They said if it's not drinking to give it honey water in a syringe, but I think if I set it out, it'll probably be a lot less traumatic for this guy. If he has already drank this water, I think he'll be, because there was snow in here and there was water in here, so he definitely had some. So that way, if he does it himself, it's a lot better than me trying to shove it down his throat. I would not want to bother the poor guy. Okay, so according to their directions, they said a little bit of warm water and melt some honey into this warm water. So I did that. It seems like it's drinking water by itself. So I'm going to try putting it in by the duck, and hopefully it doesn't knock it over. It's standing, so standing is good. I gave the duck fresh bedding. I washed his dish, both dishes really good, and he has fresh clean wheat and fresh clean water and fresh bedding layer on top of his spot. So I'm just going to let him be again and let him be a duck. I was able to contact the Fish and Wildlife place finally, the rehabilitation center and the veterinary place, and we're going to be able to take him in tomorrow. We're taking Mr. Duck into the Wildlife Rehabilitation Center. So he is on his way. He's in a little cage for transport, and off we go. Hey guys, this is Farmer Always, and today we are taking the wild duck in that we found in our field, and it was minus 40 and today is minus 33, but we're gonna drive them into the city. There's a wildlife rehabilitation center there that we were able to find, and we're gonna take them there and they can take care of them. So just wanted you guys to have a bit of an update, and yeah, thanks again for watching, and hopefully all goes well for Mr. Duck. We're so glad we were able to help him. He was out there in the cold and flopping around in the snow. I don't know how in the world he's still in Alberta in the middle of January, but so glad we can help him. So thanks for watching, you guys.